Central Europe. I am here in front of you to ask for support of something that is unique, sincere, and so important to be shared among men and women all around the world. A year ago, or maybe two, I got distracted by a thought that modern women have become very difficult to live with. I mean, sometimes men really struggle to understand us and to fulfill our expectations, right? I decided to write about it. So I wrote, and I was so committed. I literally spent hours writing because I suddenly had so much to write about how manly love can support the grace and the beauty of a woman. Then, the 200 pages of this book just happened. I knew at the very moment I had to share the message with the world. The book I am preparing for the world must first be translated to English. Additionally, I've invited one of the best illustrators in my country to fill my book with great illustrations, and I will use the amazing Gritzy tool to edit the book's interior. Awakening Her will be printed on recycled paper, full of heartfelt advice, real-life stories, and amusing illustrations. It will be a book to have for life. I can promise you that. Well, here I am, with my lifetime project, asking you to help me by funding it. Steve Jobs once said that the only way to do a great work is to love what you do. I believe my book is a great work, and I really hope you will support me by making it available for readers worldwide. Thank you.